Hey y'all, it's your girl CLNA. I already detangled and moisturized Kaysen's hair. So we are just braiding it on up, y'all. Something simple. Cornrows. Cornrows. We're just going straight back for now. She taking it like a G that she is. She been getting her hair done since she had hair on her head, which has been forever. She is now 5. She has been getting her hair done since then. Y'all see how long and luxurious my girl hair is. That's all New Me Naturals LLC products. I mainly use hair butter in her hair, but I also use the oil too when I need to, especially if I'm blow drying it, which is new to me. I never put heat or anything to her hair, but once her birthday came along and I wanted to straighten it and cut it and all that good stuff, a blow dryer came in handy, and the blow dryer is bomb. It's like a brush, so is it amazing for her hair. A little girl hair who's all the way down to her butt, whose hair is all the way down to her butt. You see her hair now. I had already sectioned it and blowed it to make this process as easy as possible. This is speeding quickly, but the back was just done. I did the side, did those straight down too. And this side, I'm gonna go straight back. That's my hair butter. She cut her hair like every little girl feels like they need to do. And I mean, it was bald down to the scalp. Bald. She hurt my whole little heart. I worked hard on this little head. But it's okay, we're gonna get her right. We've been using straight New Me Naturals oil on that little spot, and it's doing what it's doing. Because like I said, it was literally skin. Like skin. Like I said before, we're just doing cornrows back on this section, on this quarter of the hair. Excuse me, y'all, if y'all hear my microwave, I'm feeding myself and my children. Look at her trying so hard to watch. Oh, look at y'all. The things parents do for they kids, man. I popped off 4 of my nails just so I could braid this little girl hair. Let's see how well we do braiding this little bald spot, because Lordy Jesus. And then went right in the front. She want to do it right in the front. Make my life hard. Like, how I'm supposed to keep covering this? Imagine when it was skin bald, y'all. She made my life real difficult, but we figured it out, because that's what we do as parents, right? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any suggestions for any hairstyles for her or any of my lock family that you guys would like to see me do, because I'm definitely going to start being more active on here with the different hairstyles, y'all. So let me know if y'all have any suggestions in the comments down below. Like this if you have ever had braids and beads. We were watching Too Hot to Handle. Look how into the show she is, and she don't understand a thing that is going on, y'all. A thing. But that's okay. She don't need to understand. All right, y'all, so we are finished. Now it's time to bead. You see, we have the beader. We inserted the beads on the beader. We put the beads on the braid. Put 1 bead all the way to the bottom, and then we looped it over, and we added the rubber band onto it. Look at, I just dropped 2 beads, y'all. I just was not doing good, but it's okay. Again, beads on the braid. Loop a piece of hair on the last bead. Rubber band it up. Look at my girl, y'all. Full head of braids and beads. Bye.